Hi, hello, good afternoon, and this is Mommy Beats, and this is Mommy Beats Thought for the day. So I recently had a conversation with one of my closest friend who's being feeling weak and stressed about life. She told me that all she does is to go to work and go home. No social life, no time for herself. But what really touched me when she said nakakabuhay ng puso, which is referring to my reels. And I never expected that simple post, which I almost create as one of my stress reliever, would mean something to others and especially for her. It made me happy, but at the same time a little worried because back in elementary days, she was one of the jolliest people I knew. Hearing her sound so down right now really hit me. So I reminded her, don't let maturity hit you too hard. Connect with real friends kahit paminsan-minsan. Huwag puro work at bahay. Give yourself time to breathe and unwind. And quote for her, kung ano ka noon, huwag mo iwawala. Kasi minsan, yun yung magmo-motivate sa'yo. Minsan, talking to a friends is really a therapy. So, to anyone feeling lost and exhausted, please remember you are more than your struggles. You are worthy of love, joy, and peace. Life isn't about surviving, it's also about living, feeling the sun on your skin, hearing the laughter of your loved ones, and knowing that even on hard days, you are not alone. So, kung may kaibigan kang pinagdadaanan yung ganito, be an angel. Let's try to kumustahin sila. A simple kumusta ka means a lot. Let's remind them that they are not alone. So to my friend and to anyone who needs to hear this, you are stronger than you think. You are loved. You are not alone. So keep going. Better days are coming. And please don't forget who really you are. That jolly, vibrant person is still within you, and the light is still within you. So let it shine again and keep moving. Approve. Have a great day. Bye bye.